Hello everybody. So look at guys. We're doing the corned beef and the thing. Cherries. Let me see. It's like the same. It's like the same. You know the, I don't know. No comment. No comment guys. It's like not corn. Because it's windy too. Maybe it's
Where's the rice?
the rice, it's there under. Oh no, did you see the rice right there going beside the air fryer? Beside the air fryer in the glass. Sabihin ng ano, sabihin ng bigas, I'm here. What are you talking? I like our area. We just moved. Look. You guys see? I like it. It's like open. Very open. Tatakbo, tatalon. I planted lemongrass. Let's do. Oh, need to mix it. Yay. Look at this. Finally, medyo umuusok-usok siya, but I don't recommend this cooker. It's not, I don't know, it's just not making me happy.